Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel all about technology. Friends, we are here with a new topic in front of you, and in this particular video we are going to discuss about exploring Cisco router interface types and configurations. So friends, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel all about technology and press the bell icon for the notifications of upcoming tech related videos. So let's go to the mobile screen and discuss in details today's topic.
Exploring the router interface in Cisco, a beginner's guide introduction. If you are interested in networking, Cisco routers are probably already familiar to you. The company's routers and switches are widely used across the world and for good reason. They are reliable, advanced, and powerful for those of you who have little experience with Cisco routers. This guide is for you. This article is designed to give you a beginner's guide on the router interface in Cisco. It will cover basics of what you need to know to get started with Cisco routers and explore some of the network topologies and features you need to know. What is Cisco router interface? The Cisco router interface is a graphical user interface GUI that allows users to configure routers and switches on a network. It is a point of access for configuring and monitoring the router. The Cisco router interface is designed to intuitive and easy to use, even for those with little experience. Exploring the Cisco router interface. The Cisco router interface is made up of several different sections, each with their own set of options and menus. The main sections of the interface include dashboard. The dashboard is the first page you see when you log into the router. It gives you an overview of the router's status including CPU usage, memory usage, and interface status. The dashboard also includes important information about the router, such as the router's host name, uptime, and IP address. Interfaces. The interfaces section of the Cisco router interface is where you configure the various network interfaces on the router. You can configure the IP address, subnet mask, and other settings for each interface. This section is particularly important for configuring the router's WAN and LAN interfaces. Routing. The routing section of the Cisco router interface is where you configure the router's routing protocols. You can configure the router's routing tables, static routes, and dynamic routing protocols such as OSPF and BGP. Security. The security section of the Cisco router interface is where you configure the various security settings for the router. This includes access control lists, ACLS, firewalls, and other security features. This section is particularly important for securing your network from external threats. Wireless. The wireless section of the Cisco router interface is where you configure the router's wireless settings. This includes wireless security settings, SSID names, and other wireless settings. Diagnostics. The diagnostics section of the Cisco router interface is where you can